Bitcoin rose above $19,000 on Tuesday after Donald Trump said his administration would assist President-elect Joe Biden's transition to the White House, easing investors' concerns about a prolonged period of election uncertainty. The BTC-USD exchange rate rose 3.89% to a new year-to-date high of $19,100, pointing to an extended upside move towards its previously established record high near $20,000. Futures tied to BTC-USD also climbed 4.56% to $19,445, suggesting a further growth for the pair in the spot market. Investors cheered as a protracted fight over control of the U.S. presidential chair came closer to an end, reducing political risks that may have impacted the markets. The General Services Administration's head said that her office would help Mr. Biden with the transition on Monday. Meanwhile, Mr. Trump also said that he had instructed his aides to do the same. Bitcoin rallied during the fourth quarter in anticipation of a clear Joe Biden win. Many analysts predicted that a Democratic majority in the House of Representatives and the Senate Housing Committee would pave the way for a generous coronavirus stimulus package. In turn, the increasing fiscal deficit would weaken the U.S. dollar. The greenback stands inversely correlated to Bitcoin, primarily since Mnuchin's global market rout. Analysts expect more downside pressure on the U.S. dollar as the Federal Reserve stays on the course of buying government and corporate debts indefinitely. That is possible primarily after the news that Mr. Biden plans to appoint former Federal Reserve Chairwoman Janet Yallen as Treasury Secretary. She could reactivate the Fed's emergency lending programs that current Treasury Secretary Steven Mnuchin ceased last week. In the long term, it would mean lesser bond yields that, in turn, would send investors towards profitable alternatives, such as Bitcoin. Bitcoin was showing signs of modest downside correction at $19,000 as of this press time.